Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Abby. I am back with another review. Now I understand that I still have that review up and it's ongoing. I'm still reviewing the hair. However, I still have another bundles to review, which is exciting. This is another texture. This is a new texture actually. This is a water wave texture and it's by the company called YWigs, and I'm going to show you the box. The box looks like this. Hope you, there's no glare or anything like this. The bundles came in this box right here, and they don't have their so they have their email here. I believe this is their WhatsApp, and it says Monday to Friday 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. PST, so you can contact them during that time. They sent me, I think, 224 and 122 inches, and I'm almost 5'9", and these bundles are mid-back length. Oh my goodness, so I have 3 bundles. Like I said, it's 224, 122, and I have a 20-inch closure. Now as you can see, I have my leave out. Now this wig is actually special. I would say it's like 4-way. I'll call it a 4-way wig, or like multi-functional wig, because you can wear it like this with like all your edges out. You can have it in the middle part, you can have it in a side part, and also you can pull this wig into a ponytail and have like nothing peeking out, so it's going to look absolutely natural, and I will show you that. This is a wig. I've created it. I did film the process, so I will have a tutorial up hopefully right after I upload this video on how I constructed this multifunctional wig, in case you're interested. The thing about this hair is, since it came in long lengths, obviously I found that the wefts are very short. So even though this wig cap, this wig is actually smaller than a regular wig, because obviously like I have my leave out, even then I felt like there wasn't enough hair, if that makes sense. I mean, the hair is very full, as you can see, but I found that since the wefts were double wefted and they were very thick, and the wefts were shorter, even shorter than the hair I had previously, it was very hard for me to like spread all the wefts out. Like I needed at least like 3 layers of tracks. So I would say if you're going to purchase, I would say like 22 inches or over, I suggest you purchase more than 4 bundles, unless you're gonna get like a frontal or something. I do have a closure, and 3 bundles were still not enough, so I suggest you purchase 4 bundles or over if you're gonna go 22 inches or longer. But this, I know the lighting is kind of harsh because I'm filming at night right now, but this is the waves, and as you can see, the sheen, it has a nice, very healthy sheen to it. I kind of brushed out a little bit so that it can get bigger, and I'm enjoying this hair. It's very long. I don't know if it's practical for this weather because it's very hot, but then again, I'm wearing a sweater, and that's because I'm actually sick. I'm a little bit under the weather for some reason. Yeah, hence why like my eyes are yellow. So when I was creating this wig, I did cut the wefts. So due to that, I did get a little bit of shedding. I would say 3 out of 10. That's a little bit more than I would like, but again, I cut this, trust me, like I cut the wefts a lot, so it's understandable. Where's my chart? Now in terms of tangling, obviously this hair is curly, so as you can see, I don't know if you guys can see, but there's some tangling here. Like obviously, like I can't run my, I can run my finger, no I can't, just on the tips, like I can run my fingers through, but other than that I can't. But other than that, I'm enjoying this hair. It's very nice, it has a nice bounce to it. It's very pretty. I will upload a tutorial on how I created this wig. So yeah, let me come up with the middle quickly. Let me come up with the middle part and the side parts and possibly a ponytail so you guys can see what I'm talking about. It's multifunctional. So this is the side part. Just move it back like that. This is an initial review. I hope you guys found this video to be informative, and yeah, I will be right back in the next video. Stay tuned, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video. God bless.